In the USA, there are over 1 million plus restaurants with 15 million plus restaurant workers as well. And if you look at the sales in the restaurant industry, it is a mind-blowing $150 million back in 2019. That number is higher now, with value being one of the top reasons why customers return to a restaurant. Enter the Devour token, which has tons of value, a rewards utility token used by restaurants, collaborate with partners, and rewards with delight guests, employees, and community members. Now, this is some value there, and it's the first Web3 payment, NFT, and rewards platform catering to restaurants and their fans. So value here is important, and also revenue also important because it can help push this. Now, look at the chart here and Dextools, and it's unbelievable, undervalued, just under 700,000 in the market cap. And as well, it has NFTs that's all around here. The first hospitality VIP membership rewards NFT, and you can check out the industry collection here, and it looks really, really good here. Lifetime VIP rewards, benefiting restaurant workers, and more. Now, this is actually the Telegram group of the Devour token, just over 1,600, led by a great team and a good marketplace that you can shop for shirts, hats, and other gear. And by the way, this is the team and the advisory team of the Devour token. And let's talk more about Devour right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Community leadership, great leadership here, a good, nice community, and in my opinion, a good place to really do your research. Undervalued, just under $700,000, which is a steal at this particular time. Nice giveaway they did back in June, and of course, the marketplace looks really good. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, the Devour token has a lot going on for itself, mainly because the restaurant industry, there's over 1 million restaurants in USA, and there is revenue to be made. But value is one of those areas I think the restaurant industry can improve on, and customers are looking for something to really help out the area. Now, our Devour app will enable restaurants to reward guests. Think about that, value, reward guests, and crypto for ordering, loyalty reservations, and reviews. Can you imagine that now? Reward guests, as they come in, they can get paid in crypto. Now, restaurant staffs can use this as well. They can be incentivized with restaurants with the Devour token to combat labor shortage and poor employee retention. Earning crypto for dining experience, rockstar employee behavior. You can actually do a lot with this now and more. And I think this can help out attract more employees to work for a restaurant as well, improve retention and as well. So if you look at more of this, not only about the NFTs that I'm seeing here, but look at this right here, Devour Pay. To conduct business in Web3 world means to accept payments in a Web3 way. Is launching this Devour payment app token on the BSC network to be able to use cryptocurrency for restaurants in the Devour ecosystem. Now, I want to go ahead and show you the ecosystem here, which looks really, really cool. You got the token, you have the app with the pay and the app, the entity services, the industry entity, and the foundation, which is basically means the focus, I'll go back down here, the focus is giving back. Now, the Devour Foundation is focused on giving in partnership with organizations such as the National Restaurant Association, the Golden Rule Charity, and local state association. Now, when I look at the chart here, people are probably thinking, all right, this thing is $678,000 market cap when you have an industry that is over $100 billion. It's definitely more than that in 2022. So this is an underrated, undervalued project here, company that's filled with a lot of potential here, led by an awesome team here, got a good marketplace. And to me, hey, why not get involved in this? Do your research, not financial advice. And it's more to come with the Devour token. As we move forward here, restaurants is always going to be looking for an edge to do more sales, to do more business, to illustrate what they have going on. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. hey, Devour token is in a league all by itself because there's nothing like that in the industry of restaurants with NFT and rewarding customers and employees. And of course, they do have a Telegram group. Join that, do your research. Let's go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Check out one of these shirts out here. I'll have the link in the description. I'll see you on the next video.